All right, we are at the splash pad.
I know, honey.
Oh no,
I know.
she doesn't want it all.
Oh.
Tara.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
What? You don't want it
This
off?
is your first experience with the splash pad. Here, Tara, come here. Give me mommy hand. Come here.
Let's go on the splash pad.
Ooh, look at the wet. Here, mommy took her shoes. Ooh, look at the water. Yay. I wonder if there's going to be more slick with the... Yeah. Okay, no.
What?
Here, come here. You like it, huh? What is that, sweetie? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Hello. Uh-oh. She likes to splash. That's what you do when you take a bath. Nice and cold. Water's cold. Karen, go in the middle. Oh no. Oh, she doesn't want to get all wet.
Feel good? You feel good? Run right through it.
What? Oh no. Oh, you're completely drenched. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that water is splashing all over Mama. You know what, Todd? This is very slick over here on the concrete. Right here. Yeah, it's very, very slick. So, gotta make sure she doesn't go. Ooh, Darren, can you wave at Mommy? Hi. Say bye-bye. Darren. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Wow. She is all drenched. Oh, she loves it though. Alright. I'm going to take some photos now, Karen. Karen, can you say bye-bye?